Hey there, friend. Let's talk about manifesting. You know what? Have you noticed that a lot of people are really great at manifesting free stuff, but not necessarily money? And if you want to bring more money into your life, what should you change around your manifesting? Should you do dream boards, affirmations, tapping, like positive mindset stuff? I used to feel just as confused about the law of attraction. And as a Virgo, I wanted practical actions that actually worked. And after years of helping people like you manifest more money and upgrade their money mindset, I've created a simple step-by-step formula to make the law of attraction feel virtually foolproof. And that's why I'm hosting a brand new challenge to teach you those easy, doable daily tasks that will help you manifest actual, real money. All you have to do is click below, register for the 5x5 Money Manifesting Challenge, and you'll get your free invite to our private Facebook group. Now, if you don't know me, hi, I'm Denise Duffield-Thomas. I'm a best-selling author, entrepreneur, and money mindset mentor. Thousands of people around the world have already created real abundance using the steps that I'm going to share with you, completely free. And over 5 days, you'll get really practical tips, short videos to watch that will help you, and simple daily actions to take your manifesting to the next level. And here's the cool thing. Once you learn this process, you'll have a repeatable system to up-level your income and start attracting abundance anytime you want. And you'll also feel reassured knowing that you've got a proven framework, and coolest thing is a community of people cheering you on. So this challenge is always magic every year. I can't wait to do it again, and you don't want to miss it. The 5x5 Money Manifesting Challenge starts really soon, and this is the perfect way to finish out the year. So click below or register for free at denisedt.com/challenge. And it's your time and you're ready for the next step.